In today's video, we're going to learn how to use paraphrasing on ChatGPT. In order to paraphrase text using ChatGPT, first launch open your ChatGPT application and also make sure that you're logged into your account. You can also access the ChatGPT platform on a web browser. After you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see the message text box at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and input your text that you'd want to paraphrase. Make sure to keep it short, preferably a single sentence or a few sentences. Start off your conversation by typing in input and then enter the text you'd want to paraphrase. Now, after you type in your sentence, on a new paragraph, type in query and then enter paraphrase the following sentence or something like that. After you are done, tap on the send button or the blue arrow on the bottom right corner and you'll be able to see that you've successfully used paraphrasing in this particular sentence. Now, you can review the paraphrased output, and if you're not satisfied with it, you can refine your query. That is how you can easily paraphrase on ChatGPT. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.